Hi, my name's Liv, and I am converting this 2015 Mercedes Sprinter into my home on wheels. Never really said that out loud, so that's new. But I've been working on this project for way too long. I'm so ready to be finished, but she's getting close, and I'm so excited. I've been doing all the work by myself for the most part. I'm having somebody help me with the cabinets, and I'm having a professional help me with putting the electrical together. So we're about halfway through the build. I say that all the time. I don't know why I say we, because I'm the only one building this. I am about halfway through the build right now. And I thought it would be a good time to kind of introduce myself and start sharing my journey. I don't have a lot, there's really not a lot of resources for the passenger vans. They have a lot of windows, and it's just a little bit different in some aspects, like the AC unit in the ceiling. And it's just a little bit different than the regular standard cargo vans. So I wanted to share a couple of different things about the build and what I've already experienced, and then bring you guys on the journey for the rest of the way of the build, and then as I get onto the road full time. So where I'm at right now is that I have built this beautiful bench that I'm sitting on. Built this bed. I did have some help with this, but I had the idea and figured it out. And then I have a giant cabinet underneath my bed that you can probably see underneath the back of. But if you open the back doors, it's a whole set of drawers and stuff, and I'll do a whole video on that another time. I designed the bench, and a family friend, an old family friend, he's like a second father to me through high school. He built it for me. He's an amazing carpenter, and now I am getting ready to install my electrical. Finally be finished with the install of the electrical video on that. But that's kind of where I'm at. I can't fucking wait. I have had, Wanda is the name of the van. I don't know what that was. Wanda is the name of the van, of my van, my home. And I have a large golden doodle. He'll be coming with me, of course. So this will be our home. That's why this bench is so large. He's a very large dog, so it had to be big enough for him to lay out on and be comfy. About Wanda, she is a 2015 2500 passenger. That means she's got all the windows. It's all black tinted windows, AC unit in the back, diesel. I bought her with less than 50,000 miles on her. She still has less than 50,000 miles. She's a 170 wheelbase with the high roof, because your girl's tall, so I had to have a tall roof. And yeah, the plan is to travel. People just keep asking me, like, so what's the plan? And like, I get it, like, they can't like really understand some people, if you're watching this video, maybe you do, but there's a lot of people that can't seem to wrap their minds around the fact that I don't really have a plan, because for the last year, and actually probably close to a year and a half now, I've been planning how to build this. But where to next, who the hell knows? You know, like, I plan to travel with the warm weather because I hate being cold. Well, I am by no means a professional at any of this. I'm completely new to all of it, so take it for what it is. listen to 5 other videos to try to see which style you like. That's my true advice on everything. But this is kind of what I've done. So I'm just here to share it and do my thing. So I'll get you caught up on kind of what I've been doing, and then I'll start sharing current stuff as we get through it.